We've seen some plenty of sixes over there at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, which is a very good pitch. The ball comes onto the bat quite nicely. Nice shot this one as well. It should get a couple.
More at home now.